Alright, let me give you a quick review of how to do this simple linear regression, but with multiple regression, right? With multiple variable. If you want to test whether it's the whole function has some experiment power, with the f that you want to analyze. You are going to use the very specific method which called the F test, and let me just quickly go through the F test, right? So let's quite quickly review that. If you're doing F test, of course you're going to go through the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. So this is a place where you should pay special attention to. If you are going to do the F test, the null hypothesis is the hypothesis that you want to reject. If that's all this coefficient is 0, so f1 equals to f2 equals to fn all equal to 0, that is all coefficients 0, which means that the whole function does not explain, does not have any coefficients, does not explain the dependent variable. Okay, so that's the thing you want to reject. Alternatively, you are going to accept the HA here. So the HA here is at least. So this is the place where most people will get confused. At least there are some of the B. Let me just put I here. So if there is, and there might be a B inside all this B1, B2, all the way up to Bn, there might be a Bi here, which is not 0. So not all of that, not 0, but just at least there is one Bi here, not 0, and that will be suffice. Okay, so that's pretty much all we have to do. So the F test, pretty simple, regression sum of square. Regression, sum of square or regression. Of course, we need to consider the degree of freedom, k, and the sum of square of the residual, sum of square of the error, and the degree of freedom will be n minus k minus 1. So pretty much how we calculate that. We calculate a certain number and we check the graph. Most of the time, you will be given a graph that have a 2 degree of freedom. 1 is here, so you got degree of freedom 1 and degree of freedom 2. And one is for numerator, the other is for denominator. So you just find the exact line row and got the number, and you draw. Or remember, this is the right tail test. You know that, so you know the critical point. And if the number, the F statistics you are calculating is there as the rejection region, then you just reject that, right? And you kind of reject the non-hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis, right? So that's pretty much all the workflow you need to understand, okay?